Pipedrive versus Hubspot 2024, which one is the best CRM software? Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Pipedrive and Hubspot and which one I feel like is the better CRM. Now CRM is a customer relationship management software, okay? And it's a platform to grow your business, and it's a great platform for setting up pipelines. You can create different sales leads. Okay, you can get leads. It's basically a good management system. It's good for task management, project management, and a whole lot more. So there's two great CRMs. One is called HubSpot, the other is called Pipedrive. So I'm going to be going in great detail through both of these, and we're going to be talking about which one has the better features, which one has the better pricings and all. I'm going to be going through it all. And obviously, after I analyze everything, you will hopefully find out which one works better for you. All right. So to start things off, let's come to Pipedrive. Now, before getting into anything, let's talk about Pipedrive's pricings. Okay. So in Pipedrive's pricings, you can see that you have 5 plans. So you have Essential, Advanced, Professional, Power, and Enterprise. Now you have all these plans. Then obviously moving on, you have HubSpot. Now HubSpot pricings are a bit different. Okay, it depends on the retrospective and view you look at this from, because obviously HubSpot is, as you can clearly see, a lot more expensive, but obviously the features that HubSpot provides for its price are pretty good. The features that a Pipedrive, will provide you will be relatively less than the price that it gives you for. So basically, those are the pricings. Now, when it comes to the sign up process, if we want to, get a free trial, you're going to click on try it for free. Here it's going to give you all these things, 100% access, no credit card required. You're just going to have to write in your work email. So I'm going to paste all of these here. Okay. And I'm going to click on sign up in 2 minutes. Then I'm going to do the same over here. Let's say I want to get a free trial on this. So I'm going to click on get started. And what that will do is it will take me to the actual starting product. So we're going to click on get started for free. Now, once you do this, as you can see, I'm already set to go with Pipedrive. Like Pipedrive has taken me into their software. They're just going to be asking me for a verification code. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and set that in. Now, once I've done that, it's going to ask me my name and password. And same comes over here. We're in HubSpot. I'm going to add my email and I'm going to click on verify. It sends me a verification code. Pretty much same. You could say the sign-up process is pretty much the same. Not a lot of difference that goes on between them. So my verification code is 123521. There we go. And once you get the correct verification, go click on next. Now here, as you can see, they both ask you for the password up front. I'm going to go through this, add my password over here. I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to come here. I'm just going to write my name and do the same, add a password. Okay, make sure your password has good and decent characters long. There we go. Then you have your phone number, okay? Now, if you have a phone number, do make sure to add it here in case they want to, contact you through sales or something like that. So for these occasions, they do require your phone number. If they don't have your phone number, they will not be able to properly contact you. So you're going to add your phone number, whatever it is. So I'm just going to switch to mine. And I'm simply going to go ahead and add the necessary phone number. Once we do that, we click on next. It says which title describes you best. Obviously, whatever it is, go ahead with that. What is your experience with sales tool? I'm going to go with I haven't used it. And then it says, what do you want to do? So there's different things. Find new leads, manage relationships better. So it gives you a good repertoire to work with. I'm going to go with close deals faster. Then it asks us for a company name. I'm going to add something random. How big is your company? Company industry. Let's say we're in energy. I'm going to go with this and then simply click on create account. And there you go. It sets up your dashboard. Then the same goes over here. You're going to add in your name. Once you do that, which industry are you in? I'm going to go with marketing and advertising, which describes your role best. I'm going to go with owner. What is your company's name? I'm going to go with that. And how many people work? I'm going to go with 26 to 50. Click on next. Where would you like your data to be hosted? Now, either the United States or the European. Now, wherever they recommend you, please do go with that because they know what they're doing. So I'm going to go with US and click on create account. Now, once we do that, we're going to be taking into the main dashboard, the main place where all the workings actually go along, okay, where all the things actually start working. So once you come over here, what's going to happen is that it's going to give you a whole chapter of things over here. So you have leads, okay? You have deals, you have projects, campaigns, sales inbox, activities, contacts, insights, products, and marketplace. Now, when you come over here, I'm just going to go ahead and choose the options that it gives you, and it finally logs us in. Now, when you come to HubSpot, it's going to give you contacts, conversations, marketing, sales, service, automation, and reports. Now, when it comes to the user design and which one I prefer better, I'd say the design and the UI is much more easier for HubSpot to get along with, because HubSpot's design is really nice, it's really integrative, it's really helpful, and it's pretty minimal. So, the more minimal a design is, the better I'd say it works. This, on the other hand, isn't so minimal. You have to go through a lot of things to access one thing or the other thing. So let's say we're going to come here on leads. Now, on the leads tab, as you can see clearly, we can take out leads for other programs or for other people. This is the lead section. Then when you come over here, when HubSpot loads in, you have the contact section to make leads. Now this gives you direct leads where, like, just click on the plus lead button, and as you can see, you can add your leads in pretty simply, just like that, one by one. Now the thing is, you can't really bulk add your leads. Like, you can import an existing lead spreadsheet, but that is the only way that you can bulk add them. There is no other way. You can find another software, but let's say your leads are in places like your Google Drive or something, so it will not allow you to do that. You will either have to upload a spreadsheet or find another software. When it comes to HubSpot, HubSpot, on the other hand, will give you proper choices to choose from. It gives you proper things in proper places to take your leads off of, which is pretty incredible. It gives you a pretty good idea. Then moving on, you can also export data if you want to. But yeah, that's basically how you're going to create leads. Moving on, in the leads tab, you also have things like live chat, chatbot, and other things like, once you connect your website, there's live chats that people might be accessing using your website. So, you can contact them through live chat. You have prospector, chatbot, and things like web form. So, these are things that you're going to want to keep an eye out for. Moving on, you have deals over here where you can create deals that you have either made or deals that you're about to make. Now, the reason for this tab is to, as it says, make deals and keep track of them. Now, obviously, as a business, you probably do make a lot of deals, and you can keep track of them by clicking on deal, and whatever person you make a deal with or whatever stage the deal was at, you can keep this at that stage, import your deals, and keep track of them. What a good management system provides you. And moving on, you have things like projects where you can create new projects for your pipe drives. You can manage your project's access. Then you can create campaigns, sales inbox, activities, contacts, insights, products, and a whole lot more. So there's a lot of things to consider when comparing the two, because obviously, although they both are pretty good CRM softwares, I would generally recommend people, like, if you're a beginner, I would say always start up with HubSpot, because, as I stated, HubSpot's, display in the CRM section, like its dashboard and its actual, minimalistic design, helps you a lot. Like, look at this. So I'm going to open this up. Now look at this. You just get the tabs up here, contacts, you have conversations, marketing, sales, service, automation, pretty basic stuff. This, on the other hand, is a bit complicated because the categories have other subcategories, which have other subcategories to work with. So, if you're a beginner, I would definitely recommend you HubSpot, because HubSpot will give you a good idea of CRM, how you're going to use it, and, you get along it pretty well. But if you already have knowledge of CRMs and how CRMs work, and you're tech savvy and not a stranger to this type of world, so I would definitely urge you to go with Pipedrive then. So yeah, that is basically pretty much about it when it comes to this video. So that was Pipedrive versus HubSpot. Now, you tell me whichever one you like, and whichever you like, please do let me know down in the comments below. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.